this video super short because I'm waiting on the car to get loaded and then we're going to dinner. But y'all, I've spent the last 2 days with the best of the best of the best when it comes to real estate investing coaches. I mean, the guys I've been hanging out with are all of the guys that you know their name, you know their brands, and you know that I'm going to be there one day. I'm going to be one of those coaches that everybody says, oh, if you're a woman and you're getting into real estate, you've got to talk to Whitney nicely. You've got to go through First Deal Done Fast. You've got to get a ticket to She Buys It Live, because I want y'all to hang out with the best of the best. Whatever it is you want to do. If you want to be the best nurse, hang out with the best nurses. But if you want to be the best real estate investor, you've got to hang out with the best real estate investors you can find. I want to be the best real estate coach. So I hang out with the best real estate coaches right now. I mean, there were guys there that have been teaching real estate investing for longer than I've been alive. I mean, these are some guys that have been in the business helping people get deals done forever. All right, and there was other guys that have been doing this for 10 or 15 years, and they are doing an amazing job. So I've only been coaching 3 years, but in order to get to those 10, 15 years of coaching, to get to 30 years of coaching, I got to have the first 3 years, right? I got to get those first deals done. I got to help my girls get their deals done, and that's the plan, and that's what we're doing at She Buys It Live. So y'all, one lady got her VIP ticket today to She Buys It Live, and I'm waiting on you. You need to go to shebuysit.com/live. Y'all got something to add?
No, you're doing great.
The boys are giggling. Go to shebuysit.com/live and get your VIP ticket. I promise, you want these VIP tickets or you want the elite ticket. All right, that's what you need. Go to shebuysit.com/live. I walked into a room of, let's say, 100 to 120 real estate investing coaches on Wednesday, and I walked out of that room today, different person, totally different plan, totally different goals, totally different everything going on. Those guys poured life into me for the last 48 hours, and nothing will ever be the same. Also, I don't know if those dudes realized it or not, but they let a girl into the good old boys club. And I'm going to be here to take names and help these ladies get these deals done. So y'all be on the lookout. I have to brag too. One of my mastermind girls closed on a triplex today. Another mastermind girl made her first appointment and talked to her first seller today. Another mastermind girl made her first offers to a seller and got a verbal acceptance today. Holy crap, y'all. The mastermind girls, 3 of the mastermind girls made some major action today, and I want that for you too. So the mastermind that I run for women who want to get their deals done, want to do apartments, want to do money, all of that stuff, the mastermind that I run for women closes next Friday. All right, it closes next Friday. So you need to get in there, because these are the women that I'm going to take to the next level over the next year. There's 5 seats left. Y'all go to shebuysit.com/mastermind to find out all the details about the mastermind and to book a call with me. Next week, I'm coaching and taking calls. This might be the last time that I take calls. So if you're wanting to talk to me to talk about joining the mastermind, you need to get on shebuysit.com/mastermind tonight and get your calls booked for next week, because Chris is right. I've been around some big thinkers and some massive action takers for the last 48 hours, and now I'm going to be pouring all of that energy and effort into my girls. I want y'all to get out there. I want you to buy 2 duplexes and a triplex in the next year. I want you to buy 12 houses in the next year. I want you to make $136,000 in the next year, and I'm going to help you get there. All you got to do is join the mastermind so that I can push you. I can't just push you here for free on Facebook Live. We got to talk one-on-one, and I got to push you. Let's do this, girls. We can do it. Go to shebuysit.com/mastermind. You get 2 elite tickets to She Buys It Live when you join now. That deal will be off the table. The prices I charge compared to what the guys are charging, girls, we got to step it up. And we're going to. All right? Y'all, go get your ticket to She Buys It Live. SheBuysIt.com/live, or hop in the mastermind while it's available. Because my world got rocked the last 48 hours, and I'm ready to rock yours too. SheBuysIt.com/mastermind. Send me a message. If you don't know which one to check out, send me a message. But we got to do this, girls. We got things to do. We got deals to make. Jason's driving. Mom always checks to make sure I'm not driving. All right. Anybody have any last parting words? Everybody cool? My whole team is here, ready for y'all to get these deals done. All right, now we're going to dinner. Bye, girls.